Good evening, folks. How was today's trade? Crazy volatility, right? Crazy volatility. Uh, Nowadays, the closing was not happening in a good area. Sharp selling or heavy selling in the last hours, making the market to move, making the market restricted to move upwards. That's what I feel. See, we can see the last few days. It's opened, it came down, again moved, so closed almost in the same area. Yesterday also it opened almost opened in this area and closed on almost on the same area. Today also we see opened in the also actually opened in the positive zone according to me, and it suddenly fall. I told you, right, the closing was not looking good. Okay, anyway, it's opened in the positive area, sharp red candle followed by this candle was also very deep. Okay, then I expect, as I expected, it took the support here. I told you in the yesterday's video that they may take support on this zone. Okay, so now they took the support on this area, then reversal, rejection from 20 EMA, came down. I was waiting for a bullish candle to form here. If the candle forms and it's take the high, I will take the trade here. But if it forms and it comes below this candle, I will take a trade on the downside. That was my plan. Anyway, it happened. It's formed a good green candle, bullish candle. When it crosses the candle high, I ended my trade here. So my stop loss was here, and if the trade reverses, I will enter the trade on the opposite side. Simple. That's my strategy. Okay. So then it started moving upwards, a small reversal, and again it's moved upwards. I added my quantity here, move upwards, and I almost closes in this area on the yesterday's day high. I was not supposed to close that area, but I thought to close it because it was moving. It was coming from way down. If it have opened here, and that is candle, if it had opened here and it was if trading in this one, I would have handled this trade, holded the trade till little more. Anyway, I closed my trade here. I will show my trade. Okay, then it's moved upwards, came down a little bit, then again also sharp reversal. See this selling, huge selling, continuous selling. Once it touches the 26,000 and 26,010, sharp selling from that particular zone. Crazy, right? This is crazy volatility, and it closes almost on the same candle zone of the first 5 minute candle. And my sort when I sorted by P here, what I observed is, see this this is a 11.5 candle, right? This is a 11.5 candle, and it crosses this. This is a 13 140 candle. Okay, now we will see the option chart. What I sorted the P. See, this is 11.5 candle. You see, now this is coming down, and this spot is going up, and this option is uh, P is again moving up. So it should come down. I see some strange things in the option chart today. See, if you see this kind of chart, no, then there is a high chance that there may be a chance of reversal. And almost 2 hours is spent on that area. There is not even a small decay. And 1140, you see the difference. 11 from 11, you see the difference of more than 35, 40 points. But in the option chart, hardly 2, 3 points. A decay plus the time decay. I'm telling the time decay plus the premium decay is hardly 3 points. So it shows sometime it shows that that there is going to be a reversal. This is one of the trend reversal sign we can see in the option chart. I have observed it many times. Many times I observed the same thing. If the spot is moving up and the option chart is not moving along with that along with the spot price, there is a high chance it may reverse. Sometimes it's no, I'm not telling it's 100%. Sometimes it may decay after a period of time. Okay, but most of the time you can see a reversal in this scenarios. Okay, then you see I sorted my P here. Now when I would have hold the trade, it might have ended close in the same position. But anyway, I would have sorted. Once it crosses this candle, I would have sorted the C also, but I closed my trade here. I did not traded much, and I did not sorted the C also. This is how the trade for today. Let's see how this daily candle look like. Okay, right. This is okay. No issues. Still in bullish zone. But one thing I could notice here in the 5 minute candle, there is no good support. There is no good support. Tomorrow is election result, and let's see. There tomorrow is going to be a trending day. I have mostly it will be like that, because either way it can, if it crosses this way, it go to a no all-time high or near to that. But if it comes down or it moves up, then it falls down, then it's going to be a sharp selling and it may come very low. Let's see. Let's see tomorrow how it goes. Let's see this bank nifty. Yeah, bank nifty opened in the negative area, then made price action and went up. I don't trade in bank nifty, but okay, bank nifty. Let's see the daily candle. Selling is there from the top. Selling is there. Okay, if it's open in this area, it may go, cross this one. But it opens in this area, and if it comes down, then it may come up to this point. Let's see if maybe 400 to 500 point movement may be there on the downside. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it, the trade analysis for today. Hope you are enjoying my video. If you want to clarify some doubt more on the trade, you can message me. Drop your comments on the message box. I will try to clear it. Okay. One thing you have to see is you always approach the market with a backup plan. Okay, if it fails, you have to enter the trade here. That's it. If it forms here, it forms the bullish candle on the support zone, and if it fails, yes, it will be a sharp fall. That's it. If it fails, it will be a sharp fall up to this one. Then either way you will get your loss on this one. This you are keeping a loss on the very small one candle, right? Anyway, it will be covered by the opposite side trade. Follow these kind of trade strategies, then you will be ending up in a profit. I am not telling you will get a very good profit, because you are entering, if suppose you want to enter the trade for today with 10,000 stop loss, you will split into two, 5,000, 5,000. So your quantity will be less, but you will get a uh, profit on the 5,000 amount lot if it goes on the same way. Otherwise, if it's the stop loss, you will enter in the you will get the profit on the other side if it's trending. See, the point here is we will make profit if this market is trending. Okay, in either way. If there is no trending, you will end up in loss. That's simple as that. But in this kind of strategy, you will not lose any trade. It's trending strategy, trending movement. Okay. Okay, guys, hope you understand my strategies. See you tomorrow. Bye.